Good evening. You incredibly lucky people are about to watch the world re-premiere of the film Dracula Made Me Do It. In 1971, when we were 15 years old, my friends Mark Walker, Michael Boyd, along with myself, James Maynard, conceived this peculiar bit of lunacy. I wrote a screenplay, which Mark, as director, meticulously storyboarded. We crafted costumes from dyed bed sheets and props from sticks of wood and aluminum foil. Poor Michael, our leading character, had to endure grueling makeup. And finally, we took our little spring-wound 8mm camera and bank of floodlights out into the unsuspecting streets of Fort Worth to film our little opus. It took us a year, and it had its first premiere at Paschal High School in 1972. Over 30 years later, the three of us got together again to attempt to preserve this and the other films we had made back in the day. First on videotape, and now through digital technology in the form you are about to see, with a completely newly recorded soundtrack. I hope you enjoyed Dracula Made Me Do It. It might make you laugh. It may make you scream. It was made by teenage boys in the 1970s. So whatever it makes you do, remember, I warned you. Quentin! Don't sneak up on me like that. Quentin? Quentin, what is it? Quentin,
This man's got no pulse. He requires an immediate heart transplant. But where will I find a heart at this time of night? Ah, yes.
Darling. Frank! This girdle is killing me! Oh!
Ach, a pulse again. This is good. Soon you will be alright. I will make you my assistant. And then you can do all the dirty work around here. Ach, I'm sure this is not the man you're looking for.
I hope so, Doctor. You wanted something, sir?
Yes, Quinton. There is someone here who would very much like to meet you.
Stay away from me! I'm here because I want to help you, Quentin. Oh, no, you don't. Like you helped me 5 years ago when you shot me?
Quinton, give me that knife.
Yes, Quentin. Do as he says.
Give me the knife. Oh, is it bad?
No, it's just a scratch.
Well, come on into the lab and we'll put a band-aid on it. Wait, I just had a shave.
Why were you following me?
You going up to castle?
What of it?
You no want to go there. Bad things happen there.
What things?
Igor tell, but not with knife at throat, if you don't mind.
All right, but talk.
Years ago, Igor seen many things happen Up there at the castle. See man fall from tower there. He go down like this, right onto a wall of spikes.
And he died.
Igor say, he fall right onto spikes.
Did this man have a name?
Oh yes, Igor pick up the body, carry it inside the castle, to a big room with coffin in it. On coffin in big letters it say, Dracula.
Dracula.
Dracula. You no want to go up there.
Oh, but I do. And you're going to show me.
It's bad. Bad place. Alright, Igor do. Igor do. He's not there. Igor pulled the spike out from his heart.
Where is he? What have you done with him? You fool! Do you know what you've done?
No, no!
Put it on. Yes, that's better. Do you remember what they did to us? Are you ready for some revenge?
Now then. See here, Van Helsing, this story of yours is ridiculous.
You must believe me, Inspector Quentin Morris is alive and dangerous.
Even if I did believe that this, what's his name?
Quentin Morris!
Yes, Quentin. Catchy name, that. Hello? What? 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 Well, damn it, man. Must I do everything myself?
Is there a problem, Inspector?
Oh, just some old hermit with his throat slit. Up by Carfax Abbey. Bloody heathens.
Carfax Abbey? Inspector, I believe this is the clue we've been looking for.
Clue to what?
The whereabouts of Quentin Morris, of course. That's what I've been trying to tell you.
Oh, yes. Him. Right. Well, best go and have a look, what?
not very pretty, is it?
Well, it's a bloody ghastly mess is what it is.
The body seems to have been dragged from over there. Yes, it's time. Wait. Leave Mina for now. You can have her later. Well, time for bed. Coming, dear?
Not for a while yet. I want to finish this up tonight. You go on ahead.
Well, don't be too long. I'm feeling kind of frisky tonight. Nyek, nyek, nyek.
Oh, James. Grow up. Oh. James? James?
Are you sure?
Yes, I saw him. It was... what's his name?
Dracula?
Yes, Dracula. Such a nice name. Oh, oh, I'm afraid I've gotten you all wet.
It's strip dry.
Say what? What? Damn it, man. Must I do everything myself? Ow!
I'm afraid it's worse than I thought, Inspector. Dracula is alive.
Dracula?
The vampire, Dracula!
Oh yes, right, Dracula. Catchy name, that.
I'm afraid that Mina will not be safe until we find him.
Quite. Must act quickly, right?
We must be careful because Dracula is undead.
Yes. Undead?
Yes, that's right.
Now, look here. First he's alive, then he's dead, and now he's undead? Make everything in mind, man.
I know it's confusing, Inspector, but that's the plot and we have to stick to it. Now, come along.
Oh, do I have an Excedrin headache?
Welcome, Doctor.
Why, Quentin, why? Don't you know they're all out looking for you now? It's not safe for you here. Come back to the lab with me.
You want me to come back? To help me? Or to help you?
No, I didn't mean.
And wouldn't Scotland Yard be interested in all those bloody little experiments I helped you with? You used me, Doctor! You took me for a mindless fool, Doctor. Well, you're the fool. You've walked right into my trap, without so much as a thought, haven't you? Well, the tables have turned. It's time for me to use you. You're about to find out what it's like to truly be without a heart. Don't you have anything to say?
I guess I have been a bit heartless. No. No, don't. Oh!
Sorry, I just had to do that myself.
This package just arrived. Let's see. Bloody hell!
A severed hand. What can it mean, Inspector? Wait, there's a note here. My dear Dr. Van Helsing, Frank Einstein said that you were looking for me, so I've taken the liberty of sending you this message by his own hand. Come to Carfax Abbey tonight alone. Quentin Morris.
You can't go alone.
I have no choice.
But it's suicide, man.
I know what I'm doing, damn it.
Well, at least let me go along.
No, Inspector. Don't you see? You must stay behind. Someone has to be here to protect Mina.
I can't let you risk it.
I can't risk it either. We don't know what we're up against. It's Mina's. It's Mina's, and it made her what she is today. Cross her hearts, it made her what she is today.
Wait! Wait! I know you want her, but all in good time. Only one left.
Oh,
Good evening, Mina.
but why, Quentin? Why?
Everyone always asks me that question. How should I know why? Besides, it should be obvious by now that I'm insane.
What are you going to do?
Well, that should be even more obvious. I'm going to kill you. Good evening, Doctor. So nice of you to drop in.
Where's Mina?
Patience. Patience. She's here.
Why, Quentin? Why?
You dare ask that question. Ask it twice. You're such a bore. You know why. Kill him! Oh, her. Well, forget about her. I drove a stake into her. Now kill him!
the whole story, Inspector.
Nice binding. Cowhide?
No, bat skin.
Ew.
Look, I'm sorry about what happened, Inspector.
Oh, well, that's all right. At least that, what's his name?
Dracula?
Yes, Dracula. At least that Dracula fellow is dead and done with.
Well, dead maybe, but not done with.
Oh,